different. I'm dope, I'm the wave, like some raw out the kitchen. Won't slip on my game, no, they wanted my position. Made my own lane, I'm like, what competition? I'm dope, niggas know me like a line. The folks who got no wave trying to trick me out of mine. But I know one thing.
That's how we're gonna be at the beach. I mean, if this was orange or yellow, cute. But then you got it on your land. That's how we're gonna be at the beach. Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see by the title of this video, we finna do what's in my bag video. My bag. Well, I just did this hairstyle. Go check out that video. Link will be in the description box, or just watch the next video. Just stay tuned to this marathon because we're dropping videos every day. Like what's in my bag video for the summer. As you can see, let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna get into this bag. I feel like I'm far. I feel like I'm too close. I'm like I need to figure out my life. But I have this wallet which has all my information and stuff, like CPR card, identification card, credit card, debit card, all the above stuff, so I could buy stuff. I have these shades. Well, these are not shades, these are like goggles, because now that they're saying corona is airdrop, so now we have to wear goggles and masks and stuff. So I have my mask, I have my goggle, I have my mask. I have this thing that I got from work, which instead of having the thing, you know, irritate the back of your ear, you just hook these on and then swing it right in the back, so it won't be on your ear, it'll just be on your head. I'm gonna take these off. I gotta check my wallet, my mask. I have this spray bottle, which I have another spray bottle in the car because I always have lotion spray bottle because I'm always trying to smell good. But I love this one because it's shimmery and it's plus guess what it is? It's 1,000 wishes. If you guys didn't know, I love 1,000 wishes. 1,000 wishes is my favorite fragrance from Bath and Body Works, and that's period. That's on period. I have some gloves just in case, but sometimes I don't even remember to put on the gloves, to be honest with y'all, because I just be trying to run inside the store and run back out. Because first of all, you can't even run inside, let me stop lying, you can't even run inside the store, to be honest, because the lines be long outside, then the lines is long in the line, and then you gotta stay 6 feet away, then you gotta wait till it'd be a whole mess, a whole mess. I have a water bottle because, you know, you have to stay hydrated, especially if you live in Florida. It gets hot. Bruh, the air never cuts off. I have lotion. I have this lotion which Pretty as a Peach. It finished, so I put 1,000 wishes in there because it's small and easy to carry and take out, because I don't really carry this bag everywhere, whatever. So I take some stuff out, put it in another bag, take some stuff out, so this is easier to move around. So I put the 1,000 wishes in it because I didn't want to throw away the container. I have my charger with the booty, and I have the power bank, which I also need to charge because my phone stay on low. I have my cellular device, which I'm cute in this picture, y'all. I was at Tap 42 that day. I love going to Tap 42. I don't know why. All of a sudden I enjoy going there. I also got these shades, which, you know, it's always shiny in Florida. It's always sunny in Florida, so I got those shades. I got this spray bottle, you know, just so my face could stay hydrated because it's always hot. So this is a great mist to just spray. I have peppermint. Normally I have gum, but since most of the time I be at work, so I take the gum to work. But I have peppermints just in case. What else am I missing? Oh, I have a Germax hand sanitizer because you can't find them anywhere. You can't find hand sanitizer, Germax, nowhere. What else? I have Paulette, these little tissue papers, you you know, just in case there's no toilet paper in the bathroom, because there's no toilet paper nowhere. I mean, now there's toilet paper, but back then, a couple of months back, there was no toilet paper nowhere to be found. What else? I got the lip balm thing that I got from Smile Direct. So this is to keep my lips moisturized, so they don't stay too chapped. And I got the Fenty gloss, which I'm still obsessed with, and I just use it so my lips could shine more, which they need to shine. I want them to shine like but other than that, I think that's it. That's all that's in the bag. Yeah. So thank you guys. Oh yeah, I also have a pen, you know, just in case somebody wanna write my number down. Anybody wanna take my number? I don't know why I'm so goofy today. Oh, I'm so goofy today. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video, because we got a marathon going. Don't forget to go check out this hair that I did. I hope you guys like it. Giving me Beyonce vibes, you feel me? What else? That's it. That was my bag video, what's in my bag. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.